Here we are, lower lows. Oh, here you go. Right now, I'm making those lows. We're shorting that baby down. I got an order out at 4.6 on that $525 call. It's a weekly. You can see it. Look at here, MMT. Now look at these lows come down to our price level. Now remember, them puts are racing, so we want to get the calls cheap. That way, when we get about to get hit on the equity, we're about to get hit on that equity. Where's the IR at, everyone? Tell me. Okay, so you're going to give me the entry order. 80 pennies. You're talking about 523.80, right? Okay, you're not quite there. You did hit 524.22. There you go, 524. Okay, put a 20-cent stop in case he prints through you. The short's working there. He went below it. There, we got one. Now look at this bottom. It's right here. Here it is. It's at 0. So go down to 521. Drop that bid. Don't take the bid on the 525 call. No. Cancel that and get down to 3.6. 3.6 on the bid. Right now they're 4.65. Yeah, I had the wholesale price. I was 15.50 now. And here we come, Maryland. We overshot it and we bounced that dollar like we do on every bottom, and there it was. That was right here in that delta tree. Let's take a look. Okay, 523.30. Here it is, 523. It went right here. 521.53, Maryland, is the next order at a half delta. You guys, 523.71 was 3/8. And you're printing right there right now. So let's see if we can work our way in at 521.65 cents. At right above that half delta mark. That's going to be the next lower low if we break that low. So have your limit orders down there ahead of time. How to sell that short all the way down and how to steal that bottom. Here we have the call contracts right here. They hit 470 right where Mario said at 4.6. Yes, they did bounce. Yes, I am the king wholesaler at that bid considering they were 15.50 on the high. And as the stock tries to put in that bottom is how do I steal that? Option bid at that wholesale bid here and now, right now at 12:12 p.m., 12 minutes after the hour. And as that stock, Apple computer goes down, I'm going to try to steal that strike. And I got to put limit orders out here. Again, I already have the limit orders down there. It's already come here. The thing about it is the next limit order is we're going to hook it between 320 on the low end of the bid and 360 on the limit end, right below the floor, 360 by 390 as it comes down. As we're going to see how it holds at, we're going to see that ratio 523.30, 524.53, and here is the 525 weekly call. And weekly calls, if you know how to get wholesale like us, if you're a market maker, you get wholesale, you get all that risk out of there. Look, they closed at 1065. They were 1550 on the high. Public is slammed in these, all right? So I'm down here at the wholesale bid, and let the truth be told. Let the truth be told at the wholesale bid because I took out that capital risk, and no one can deny that. Get that entry, MMT, 15 minutes, 47 minutes to the closing bell, 523.20, yesterday's low. I told everyone you were going to come down. You see, once that short got hooked up there at that 549 3/4, we've been working our way down. We want to steal that call, though. And we want to see if we can go ahead and break those lows. Once again, it's another special part series on how to put that in there. And how do I get that wholesale bid? 1065 was the close. Volume weighted average price to the public is 959. And what do? SMF, MMT, get that wholesale bid. And take that risk out of it, then get the entry, and then sell it back to the public at a higher price.